Hello children, Mrs. Hall's back again, okay, for another phonics lesson. Today it's lesson 20. I wonder if anybody's done all 20 lessons. I love to see your work that you post on Twitter and to see what you've got up to with your phonics work. Well done for those of you that are working hard at home. Okay, we have come really to the end of phase 4 now, okay? So you should be really good at those consonant blends at the beginning and end of words, and also words with a combination of blends and phase 3 graphemes. Okay, so from now on I'm going to do a few lessons for thinking about different purposes for writing, so writing for a purpose really. So I'm going to give you some handy hints and tips and go through some things where you can apply everything that you've learned in phonics, okay? But we're going to start today with our phase 3 graphemes and phonemes. So I'm going to do some flashcards. Are you ready? And Z. Hope you're getting them first. Ah. Ow. Whoops-a-daisy. Silly Mrs. Hall, I'm always dropping them. What's this one? Or Yeah. Upside down now. What's this one? Sh. Oi. Ng. E. Air. O, E, A, I, O and U and O. I bet you beat me every time now, don't you? Because you're so fantastic at these. Right. Okay, I've kept 5 of those graphemes and phonemes behind because I want to see how brilliant you are at writing them now. We have practiced a few, so we're going to practice a few more today. Okay, the first one I want you to try is O. Can you write the grapheme O? I'm going to have a go here. Are you ready? Okay, we're sharing 3, 2, 1. O. It's an O and an A. Did you get that one right? Well done if you got it at home. Fantastic. Right, let's try a different one. I think I'll keep that one on. Let's try a different one. We're going to try the O and U. Now I think this is quite an easy one. See if you can get it as well. O or U. I'm going to join mine. Have a go at joining if you can. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. O and U. It's made by a double O. Well done if you got that as well. Okay, next one we're going to try. Oh, this one's a trigraph. Trigraph. What does that mean? Can you remember? It means it's got 3 letters that make one phoneme, so a trigraph. Are you ready? Can you write I? To write it on my board and have a go at joining. Let's see if we get the same. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. I. Okay? I-G-H makes I. Well done. I'm sure you're trying really hard. Okay, next one I'm going to try is the A grapheme. Can you write the A grapheme? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. A. It's made by an A and an I together. Well done. Okay, let's try one more. The last one I'm going to get you to try, I think it's another easy one, is E. Ooh, better hide it first, you'll all copy me. I bet you know them anyway. I'm going to join it. This one's a bit wibbly wobbly when you join it. Okay, E. Have you done it? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. E. It's made by a double E. Easy peasy. Okay. we've done those 5 now. So I think we'll have a quick go at some keywords. Now if you look behind me, you'll see the keywords are stuck on my wall. Okay, I've got my splatter. We're going to read through them the first time and then we're going to have a little game of splat. So you can always make your own game of splat at home. Remember, these tricky words are the ones from phase 4. Let's read them first. So we've got said, so, have, out, what, there, were, some, do, like, come, and when. Did you know all of them this time? Okay, I'm going to call one out. We're going to see if you can spot it before I splat it. Or you can have a go at splatting at home on your computer or your TV screen, but not too hard. See if you get it first. Okay, easy one to start with. Do. Can you find do? Oh, we know it begins with a D. There we go. We found do. Well done. Okay, next one. Have. Oh, that was a quick one. I've got it. I know that we can segment this one and then put an E on the end. Have. Said. Ooh, one that we see a lot of time in books. Oh, there's lots that begin with a S, but I think it's this one. Said. Well done if you got it. Did you splat it first? Next one, like. Think about what it begins with. Like. Here it is. There's the word like. Okay. When is the next one. When. Ooh, that's a, ooh, I know it's one of those WH words. It's this one. When. Remember we talked about the WH when they're together. Okay. Which one says come? Super quick. I knew that one because it begins with a K phoneme and I saw the grapheme at the beginning. Can we find were? There we go. Now this one doesn't begin with the WH, it's just a W on its own. Were. I always find that one quite tricky. One more. Can you find out? There we go. There is out. Another tricky one because I think that ow should be O and W. But that's why it's a tricky word. In this one, it's an O and a U. Well done if you managed to splat all those first. Okay, now our job for today. I want you to have a think about when you go shopping. And mummies and daddies have to write a shopping list to help them to remember all the things that they buy. Okay, now I'm going to do this a bit backwards. I've already bought my shopping. Okay, and it's in my shopping bags down here. So, I'm going to start over here and then I'm going to write some of those things over the other side. So, I'm going to show you an item that I bought when I went shopping and we're going to try and write it down. And when we've done this one, you can have a go at making your own. You can make a shopping list before you go shopping or you can write down the things that you bought when you went shopping. So, I've written here, it reminded me because in the White Rose Maths for this week, there is an activity to do with food, healthy foods and foods that are bad for you based on the book Oliver's Vegetables. And I thought, that's a good idea. So let's read it first, okay. We know this one, tricky word, so we could put a circle around it. This word is I, okay. Next word we're going to segment. Went. Well done if you got that at home. Let's add our phoneme buttons here. Sh, up, I, shop, in, shopping. Easy peasy, tricky word. And, whoops, and I. One more word to segment. Got. Let's read the sentence. I went shopping and I got. Okay, let's start writing the things that I got when I went shopping. Let's have a look in my bag. What did I get? Oh, here we go. The first thing I got some milk. Okay, let's stretch the word. Milk. Now, this is an easy peasy one to start with. I've done my dots because I'm going to write a list of these items. Milk begins with Okay, and what do you think is next? Milk. I think it's an I. And then we've got one of those phase 4 consonant blends at the end. So we've got and then the final sound is a k. Now I know that usually if a k comes at the end of a word, it's a CK, but not this time. It's just a K, a kicking k. So, milk. Right, next thing that I got, let me look in my bag. Oh, I got some cheese, okay? I'm going to put a little comma because I'm going to write a list and I'm going to write cheese. It begins with a ch phoneme. So I know how to write the grapheme. It's a C and an H. Okay. Cheese. Wow, we've just practiced our E, haven't we, at the beginning of this lesson? I know it's a double E. Oh, dearie me, Mrs. Hall, that's very wobbly. I'm going to try that again. Are you ready? E. There we go, that's better. E. What comes at the end? I can hear a S. Cheese. Okay, let's see what's next in my bag. Oh, here we go. I've got some juice. Okay, let's see how we write juice. Well, it begins with a J. Okay, I know how to do a J. It's like the I, but it's the other way round and it has a longer tail. We often get those muddled up. Juice, J, ooh. Well, I've just practiced that one, so I know how to do it. It's a double O. J, oos. There we go. I'm going to write S at the end. Okay, let's find our next thing. Oh, nuts. I bought some nuts when I went shopping. Oh, it is quite an easy one. Should we have a go at segmenting it? Nuts. Nuts. There we go. Right, got a few more things. Let's have a look, see if we can find some more consonant blends. I've got some bread. Bread. I'm going to stretch that word. Bread. I know it begins with a B. Now remember, we practice our B's and D's, so bat before ball says B. Now it's a consonant blend at the beginning. Brr. There we go. Now what comes in the middle? Bread. Brr. There we go. Bread. And there's a D at the end. So I know that when we do D, we do drum before drumstick. We've practiced that one as well. Bread. Okay. Let's have a look what else I've got. Oh, here we go. One of my favourites to have on toast. Whoop. Beans. Let's have a little go at that one. Beans. Oh, it's another B word. Bat before ball. Now in the middle, beans. I know how to do the E. See if I can get it right this time without it being too wobbly. B, double E. Bean. And there's more than one, so it's got a S at the end. Beans. Fantastic. Let's see what else I've got. What have I got here? I've got some crisps. Okay. Easy peasy. And I think it's a curly k at the beginning of crisps. And it's a phase 4 blend again, so crrr. I can hear 2 consonants at the beginning. Crrr. The next one is that I. What can we hear next? Let's just stretch it. Crisps. Oh, I can hear a s, but I can also hear another one, but there's another phoneme first. Crisp. And again, there's more than one, so we put a s at the end. Crisps. There's not just one crisp, there is a bag of crisps. Okay, I think we'll have one more. What have I got in my bag? I've got some butter. Butter. Now this is quite a long word. I'm going to stretch it. Butter. Another b. Right, let's do that then. Bat before ball says b. B. Oh. Here we go. It's that one. Now, I can hear an at the end of this word, a short sound. And now I know that sometimes when is at the end of the word, you have to double the middle consonant. And I can hear a t phoneme in the middle. So I'm going to write two. It's in words like dinner and supper and hammer and ladder. We have a double consonant in the middle, and then we put our short at the end. Can you remember how to write that one? This is one we always find tricky. If I said butter, you might hear it a bit more clearly. And it looks like that. Well done. Shall we have a go at reading my list now? So, I went shopping and I got milk, cheese, juice, nuts, bread, beans, crisps and butter. Okay, I hope you can have a go at writing a shopping list at home, trying to use your phonics when you write those things, okay? Have fun, don't forget to post them on Twitter. Bye bye.